Cancel all summons except the ones currently working.
Return. Especially that summon. Only a mage with vast mana reserves could control lightning.
If I rely too much on my summons, my own skills will start to dull.
Even S-rank hunters from their main division are here!
Hey, why did you bolt the moment you saw me?
$10 million per day. Hire me, and I'll hold the gate as long as you need.
A-rank? No, he's already beyond that. Arise.
Aniki, I've never seen anything like this before. I have to tilt my head all the way back just to see the top of the gate.
If he's this shocked by just seeing the gate, I wonder how he would have reacted if he stood before it in person. Let's move.
Hunter Sung Jin-woo, please look this way! Could you tell us how you feel as the Ajin Guild embarks on its first raid?
Also, what inspired you to choose Ajin as your guild's name?
What is your relationship with the third founding member of your guild, Yu Sun-yoon? Is she your girlfriend?
Hunter Sung Jin-woo, please don't pay too much attention to the reporters.
Chief Wu Jin-cho. I thought my personal information was supposed to be protected.
While we can safeguard your personal data, there's not much we can do about the gate's location being revealed. Perhaps avoiding social media posts in the future might help.
Ah, I see. Because of the photo on Instagram. All right. I'll be more careful from now on.
Aniki, are you sure it's fine not to hire a retrieval or mining team? I don't think I can handle all that alone.
Nah, it'll be fine. This guy will take care of those tasks.
Oh my god. Every one of those summons is B rank or higher. He easily surpasses the requirements for obtaining a raid permit for a gate of this scale.
Those arguing over the preferential trade issue are just fools. I've finished the confirmation process. However, the association president ordered me to ensure it's truly safe during Hunter Sung's raid. Would it be an issue if I joined you for the raid?
That was unexpected. Chief Wu Jin-cho, are you certain about that?
Yes, of course.
What is going on right now?
A few moments later.
A-rank knocker.
Even seasoned mage-type hunters struggle in close combat with them.
The enemy is losing only because his shadow army keeps regenerating.
Especially that summon. Only a mage with vast mana reserves could control lightning. To think lightning bursts forth with every swing of his sword. A-rank. No, he's already beyond